Hello and welcome. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the installation and setup process of the GetResponse Action Automation for workflow. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your account, search for App Marketplace and click on it. In App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. When you find your application, click on it. Next, click on Install to select your account. After selecting your account, click on Continue, and then you click on Allow and Install. A new tab appears which contains a custom menu link. Click on the custom menu link to copy and then head back to your account. Once in your account, click on Settings. Next, on Custom Menu Links, and then click on Create New. Inside here, you would have to choose an icon, any icon of your choice, give it a name, paste in the URL that was copied, choose a sidebar preference, select your account again, and choose your role-based visibility. Next, just click on Save. After that's done, switch accounts and search for the custom menu link you just created. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, our application has been installed successfully. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the application in case it was not set up yet. Click on Manage. In this interface, you have a series of tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the Tutorial tab, which gives you access to resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up the application. And we have the Setup tab. The Setup tab is where the application is being set up. To set up your application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your GetResponse account that was created online. Click on Tools, Integration and API. Click on API, and next you click on Generate API key. Give it a name, and you click on Generate. Copy your API key and head back to your account. Paste it where required and click Complete Setup. And then your application will be set up fully. The next tab we have here is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issue. And the next tab is the Change Log. The Change Log keeps you updated with any changes that have been made in any application. And you could receive notifications by toggling this on and inputting your email address. After that, click on Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to receive more content. See you in the next video.